Hello everyone, this is a video to make a new intake for my motor. I've made several mistakes making this intake manifold, and I would like to do it again to make sure I have the right performance for it. I'm going to dismantle everything there is there and install a new intake manifold in this and make a new one. Many people ask me to show the cutter I've used to do the velocity stack. This is the pattern I've did. It's a very simple pattern, as you can see. It's made of eighth of an inch thick steel, and as you can see, it's very easy to make with the with a cutter, and you use it to machine all this part here, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's not very complicated to do. And what it does, it's those velocity stack. When it's finished, it's looking like this. These are the ones I did I did 4 of these for my manifold. Well, in order to make a new intake, I've decided to use this aftermarket aftercooler for my supercharger. The supercharger is a M90 supercharger, and this aftermarket aftercooler is used on the Grand Prix GT, and it's perfect since it's very thin, as you can see. It's only 1 inch thick. And my other one was 3 inches thick, so it was way too thick, and it was taking the plenum, the complete plenum. So I started with a piece of pipe, this piece of pipe that I've cut. As you can see, I've cut the pipe. I bought a pipe and had a machine shop cut it and weld it for me because it was too big for my machinery. So after cutting it, I'm gonna use it to make a nice plenum here. So this thing's gonna go like this, and I'll be using these velocity stack that I've made. I made a video how I made these velocity stack, so I'm going to use all 4 of these for my 4-cylinder engine. So it's going to be nice and very much better than what I had before. So in order to do this, you're going to place this plate over here, and all the velocity stacks inside here like this. So since they are a bit inside, it's going to give me more length for my runners also, compared to have it on the close to the plate like this. So I'm going to make it higher like this to gain some length of the runner, to change my power band, to lower the power band of my motor. Okay, now we are at the new step. I finished making the box for the intake manifold, and as you can see, I did this plate here, which is gonna make the bottom of the intake manifold. And then I did this plate, which contain all my velocity stacks, and this plate's going like this. I still have to machine all the sides of the velocity stack to make it fit. And this thing, which is the supercharger aftercooler, it's gonna go on top of it like this. And the supercharger is going to go right on top of all this.